Hello everybody, this is another call and my brother is gonna record with me. First time he's gonna be on YouTube. So my brother, his name on YouTube, like his Beyblade name is drago 88. So now, well, we go by together, we go by a different name. It's called Beyblade Battles. Yeah, so we're gonna do tornado battle this time. We're gonna do tornado El Drago. Tornado El Drago, because my brother is using that, or is he using destroyer?
Yeah, I think I'm using destroyer.
Okay, actually, my brother's using destroyer, so yeah, he's using destroyer, and I'm using El Drago, and we're gonna use destroyer in both rotations. And yeah, okay, everybody can see it now. Yes, perfect. Now, okay, ready? Okay, stop playing. Now it's time for the battle. Woohoo! Okay, now okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. I don't think it. Okay, maybe you can, but I can see it. And the battles are really good. Yeah. And the winner is
tie.
Yeah, it's a tie. Definitely worth XTS system. Beyblades are awesome. So first round is a tie. Okay.
Let someone record someone, okay?
Actually, we decided that somebody will record somebody and stop zooming in me. Yeah. So, 1 second. Who do you want to record it on me?
Let me see. What's my name again?
Lightning of Drago 88. Okay. Let me just talk first. Hey kids, guess what? Actually, we decided that one person will be recorded, and he's my brother. Give it up for Lightning El Drago 88.
Okay, kids, this is Lightning El Drago 88. Okay.
He's excited, guys, because it's his first time on YouTube. You won't believe this, but he's never been on YouTube.
Okay. Never mind about that. YouTube.
Okay.
Never mind. YouTube. Okay, never mind.
Now, okay, stop bragging that you're on YouTube. Okay, hurry up with the battle.
Maybe this is a tornado battle. Yeah.
Yeah, the camera is losing control. There you are.
This is, let me see.
It's a tornado destroyer.
And this is Drago Tornado. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, if you ever seen it against Pegasus, it is the first tornado battle compared to Pegasus. So yeah, we're going to be doing a battle in this half-pipe XTS stadium. Yeah, let's go, kids. Oh, we're going to see this awesome epic battle.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, nothing special here. You just see your ordinary El Drago.
Did you see it?
Holy cheese, Louise! Oh! It's a close one. It's. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Holy!